Oh yeah, par's on. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be fishing in a secret location of pars. He's tying up some brim poles. We might do a little bit of brim fishing because apparently they have giant brim in there, but I'm gonna be trying to catch some bass. Here with Jack too. Let me see if we can get on some nice fish today. So we just we got to the juice. That's the juice over there. It is freezing, and I didn't bring a jacket or a hoodie. Forgot the cold front was coming through. The wind is rough, but I'm about to freeze. Par just, oh, we're going into a tree. I got Par just hooked into a big one.
Got the fake cricket corn combo.
Uh-oh.
Big chinker pin. That's how you do it, son.
Alright, so I just hooked up with my first little bass. We've been fishing for around like 2.5 hours. I started brim fishing because couldn't catch any of these little guys, but hopefully we'll catch some more. There's another one. I watched this little bitty fish chase him. He was chasing some bait. Oh, that's a decent one. He's trying to jump. Oh. Get him on up in here. Yep, it's a nice little fat fish. Caught him on the watermelon red Cinco. Decent fish. We're gonna let this little fella go. Come on, buddy. There it goes. So I caught all 3 of my bass on a weightless watermelon red Cinco. And I think I finally figured these fish out because today's been really tough. I actually resorted to brim fishing for the first time in a couple of years. I don't ever really do that, but bass turned biting, so I did what I had to do. But anyway, I think they're up here on the bank because it's so flooded that I think they're finding like worms and stuff that coming out the ground. And yeah, so I just missed a fish a while ago, and I'm going back right over there. I didn't have any more Cincos left, so yeah, I'm gonna go see if we can catch some more of these fish. Oh yeah, par's on. Oh yeah, that's a juicy spot right there. So much easier to fish like this than fish turned around. Oh shit. I don't know if that's a boat dragging it. Yeah, that's a boat. It drug it over a log. Oh shit! Nope, that's fish. There he is.
Let's go. I'm losing.
I trust my rod. Alright. I should just lift them on the side of the boat.
You want me to-
Yeah. You want to unhook them for me? Well, I just hooked up in this little bitty boat ride. Had to get part of get it off for me, but nice little bass. Caught them right over there in the sticks. I actually thought it was a stick at first, but this little guy said, let him go. So that last little clip you guys are seeing is where my GoPro died. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film anymore that day. I didn't get to film my outro. But I didn't catch any fish, so it kind of worked out. Anyway, I want to tell you guys that I'm going back to Toledo Bend in about a week and a half. I'm going on senior trip with Par and Jack, who were in the video, and then Bryce and Nolan, who you've seen in my other videos yet. So we're all gonna stay together. We're going charter fishing 2 days, and then we're gonna fish around 1 day. But I'm pretty excited for that. I should have some pretty good videos coming out. So definitely subscribe if you haven't. You definitely don't want to miss those videos because they're gonna be really funny. And yeah, I'm hoping to go fish and get another video up tomorrow morning, maybe. I don't know yet. But anyway, peace out. I'll see you guys later.